DMO.
What is up, y'all? Rich Homie back again with another banger video. I just want to appreciate all y'all for watching. So it has been a long while since I uploaded a full-length video, and I apologize. I've just been so busy at work. I mean, I don't even have time to cut my own hair. You see my hair, it's a mess, fully grown. I need to, get it shaped up. In the meanwhile, I've been uploading shorts for you guys to enjoy some of my content for a little bit. I've been getting 1,000 views a day on each short. That's pretty exciting, so I'm gonna keep doing that. But for today's full-length video and the sponsor of today's video, AUXITO Headlights, I'm going to be installing these on the 2001 Mitsubishi Eclipse, which is exciting because the Mitsubishi Eclipse is currently running the yellow dull halogen headlights, and I mean, they are complete trash. I did put LEDs in them a couple years ago, but they weren't running right, and for some reason my high beams wouldn't work, so I just avoided that and just put halogens. But my friends over at AUXITO sent me these bulbs to try, and I'm excited. So I mean, I already have the AUXITO LED bulbs in the charger, working great for well over a year, no issues with that. And then with the Honda, recently put them on, no issues at all, and I've been working them and testing them really well because, one, it's below freezing temps here, so around high 20s, low 30s, and the Honda, of course, is my daily driver nowadays because of chargers and storage. Because of winter, I don't want to deal with all that, so the Honda has been my daily driver, always using the headlights because I'd be doing my errands at night because I work in the daytime, right? So they've been working really well, no issues with that. Previous LED headlights I had on the Honda, they would start flickering about a few months in, especially running them in the winter. I'm glad AUXITO LED bulbs don't flicker, which is great, and they sent me these to install on the Eclipse. I'm excited. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get installing these. Alright, so I got the hood up on the Eclipse. So these are one of the few cars nowadays that it's easier to remove the whole headlight assembly to replace the light bulb. All you have to do is just remove 3 10mm bolts. I got my bolts right there. All you gotta do is just go ahead and pull. These are new headlights, by the way. I forgot to take off the wrapping, but all you have to do is take off the rubber boot here. And then since it's cold, it's a little stiff to remove, unfortunately, but there it is, and you actually have access to your headlight. You see this tab right here? Just go ahead and press down, and you can go ahead and take your bulb straight out. I already installed the LED headlight in here already, but so easy to take off the whole actual assembly because all you need is just 3 bolts to take out, and that's it. So I'm just gonna make sure I put on the rubber boot because I already installed the headlights. So I actually got better footage of replacing the light bulb, all thanks to Car Care Kiosk. So what you're gonna do is just press on that tab like I showed you. You're gonna lift up, and you should be able to remove the bulb from the headlight housing. So you can just pull that straight out, and there it is. And then after that, once you put in your new LED bulb, it's just easy installation. Just put it in, then just put that little pin back in, replace the cover, and there you go. And after that, you should be good to go. There you go, super easy. Same thing on this side. All you have to do, take off the 3 bolts, take off the headlight assembly, then unplug the light and plug a new one in. Super easy. Once you finish installing lights, go ahead, go in your car. There we go. Looks good. Nice bright white. Also make sure the high beams work. There you go. Alright, so on a night drive with my brand new headlights installed, you see there is still a little bit of daylight left out because of the beautiful sunset that you see in the distance. But yeah, even with the little bit of light still here, you can still see the lights bright and nice. You can see the lights reflecting really well off the street signs, which is definitely something you really want at night when you are traveling somewhere pretty dark. And yeah, just driving through town, the lights reflecting off the street signs really well. But yeah, really like these lights so far, really bright. The combination of brand new lights and a brand new headlight housing to replace my old faded ones, the perfect combination for 100% visibility. About 30 minutes later, we are in total darkness. Just kidding, it is the sun just set. The only light you see in the vicinity are the street lights. Other than that, the car headlights that you see on the other side of the road. But you see these lights are working well, reflecting the lights off the street signs, which you really want when you're in a place that doesn't have street lights in the vicinity. And as you see, I'm going to be traveling on a road where there's not going to be too many street lights present, so you can actually see how the lights perform at night. And as you see straight ahead of you, the lights have a good pattern. I believe my driver's side headlight housing does need to be readjusted, and that's just the nature of buying brand new headlight housings. You definitely have to readjust a little bit, but the light pattern is still really good. Road lines, you see what's in front of you, you can see road signs. Nothing to go wrong here. And these pair of headlights are definitely cheap, on sale on Amazon. You can usually find them a discount about 5 or 10% on Amazon, so I'll link in the description to these ones below, and I'll also link the AUXITO website for you guys to check out. They have bulbs for all sizes that you guys can check out. But yeah, I'm just traveling down this road. There's very few street lights in the vicinity. It's just cars driving back and forth. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you think about these lights. For a old car like this to look this brand new, all I need to do is just adjust the headlight housing on the driver's side, just so the high beam can point a little bit lower. But other than that, it's great. So I hope y'all liked that video. It is a night and day difference with the headlights, especially great visibility as you saw in the driving footage, and amazing headlight bulbs. And I appreciate AUXITO for sending these over. Like I said, I'll put the link to the headlights in the link in the description below. I believe these run the H4 headlight size bulbs, so if you are looking for headlights for the Eclipses, especially the 3rd generation, go ahead and buy them from AUXITO. I'll also list the Amazon link because, like I said, they may have sales on them. They often have sales. Yeah, AUXITO carries all types of bulbs. Interior, exterior bulbs, and for your headlight bulbs, they carry all different sizes. So give them a look and see. Very high quality material, and yeah, y'all, I am satisfied. So yeah, nothing more to say. Just want to thank everybody for watching. I appreciate everybody watching. In the meantime, just enjoy my YouTube shorts. I'll be trying to upload videos on a weekly or bi-weekly basis. So yeah, let's see, y'all. Thanks everybody for your support. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe below. This is Rich Homie Cal signing out.